how to add a custom domain name to Blogger. So the first step is to simply go to Blogger and then simply go to your settings. Now simply scroll down until you see custom domain and then simply click on it. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your custom domain. So I'm gonna go to Hostinger here and then I'm gonna log into my account and I'm gonna simply go to domains and copy my domain here. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paste it here and then click on save. Now, as you can see here, blogs may not be hosted at the naked domains. Please add the top level domain. So I'm gonna edit this and I'm gonna click on save right now. And basically what you're gonna have to do, as you can see, you're gonna have to enter some settings. So depending on the domain provider that you are using, so as you can see I'm using Hostinger, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to domains, then click on manage and then go to DNS and then scroll down, and here where it says manage DNS records, you're gonna have to enter these DNS values, which are this one here. So this one here once, and then this and this, and then you're gonna have to add them as a CNAME. So you're gonna have to select CNAME and then simply enter here where it says target and then click on add record, and basically that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.